Welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Kuparkar. This is my second video of today, and I am here with a completely different set of sarees, a very new variety of sarees, and I cannot wait to start showing. So let's cut the introduction short and let's move to the sarees. So now this is a soft silk variety. The sarees that I am showing today, these are beautiful soft silk sarees in single colors. They don't have any contrast, and just look at this. They have very fine zari lines in golden and silver zari. Beautiful texture. Purposely I'm moving the sari around so you can see the texture nicely. Okay, yeah. So from a distance you will feel that the saris are plain, but they are not plain. They have very fine zari checks, just like as good as brocade saris. Okay, so they have very fine zari checks in silver and golden zari, and a very rich pallu. Pallu also designed this way. Okay, so this is a beautiful rich pallu. The saris have self blouses with the same zari lines on it. However, you can decide to style these saris with contrast blouses as well. So if you want, you can wear a nice bright pink or a deep wine or a navy blue, or any kind of blouse on this. So yes, this is the sari, first sari. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. I'll just tell you the price of these saris first. The price of this one is 11,800. That's the price. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. I'm just going to come close once again to show you all the zari checks. This time, can you see the zari checks? I hope you can see them. This is beautiful intricate zari checks. So this was the first sari. I'm moving on to the next one. I have 3 colors in this same design. I'm going to show you all 3 colors and then I'll move to the next variety. Now this is a beautiful ruby pink. Does it look pink on camera, or red or maroon? Towards red. Okay, so this is definitely a ruby pink. It is not a red color. However, when you see the sari from a distance, it looks more towards maroon or red, but it's definitely a pink color. I'll just come close so that you all can understand if it's pink. It's a nice ruby pink. It has beautiful zari checks. I hope you can. I think zari checks are visible on this color, so you all will be able to see them. These are the beautiful zari checks in silver and golden. A very beautiful sari. It has a beautiful golden border. This is how the borders will look together. Okay, however, you can decide not to pleat up this sari because the beauty is in the entire zari checks weaving. And this is the pallu. Comes with a plain blouse with lines on it and not checks. This is the sari. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. If it was me, I might wear a nice bright yellow blouse on this. It will look very nice is what I feel, and something interesting. The next one is again a pastel color. Now this lavender, this Naina. So this is sky blue and pink cross shading. I'm just going to show you the cross shading. It is a cross shading of sky blue and pink, onion pink kind of color. Okay, that's why when you see from a distance, it might look towards lavender. From one angle it might look sky blue, and from one angle it might look pinkish. So it's a very interesting shade. Beautiful sari. I'm going to come close and show you all the very pretty zari checks. These are the beautiful zari checks on the sari. Okay, this is the sari. Also, I'll just show the pallu closely. This is the pallu. 11,800 is the price. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Now let's move to the next set of saris. The next 3 saris are brocade soft silks. They have beautiful zari brocade designs. Let's move to the next one and I'll show you the design and then talk about it. These saris do not have the traditional border, so they are not traditional typical brocade saris, but very elegant, beautiful combinations, beautiful saris. Now this one is, I would call this a moss green color, shewari apan jala manto. Very beautiful subtle brocade on it. I'll just show you the back side of the sari. This is the back side, very finely done. This comes with a maroon pallu. Beautiful color combination. This might look a little bright in the camera, it might look reddish, but it's a deep maroon. Ekta light banda karunga. It's a beautiful deep maroon. Naina. It's a lovely, lovely color. This has golden and silver zari. It comes with a contrast reddish, maroonish red colored blouse. So the price of these is 12,800. The first set was 11,800. These are for 12,800. Okay. So this is the first one. I hope you all liked my selection this time. These are very, very new sarees. If you like them, please take a screenshot, send it to us on WhatsApp, and we'll help you with placing your orders. Okay. Let's move to the next one. The next is a beautiful black. I know this is not going to last long. It's a excellent black saree. Beautiful brocade design. I hope you all can see the brocade. I'm purposely moving the saree so you all can feel the shine of the fabric. Beautiful brocade design, and just look at the combination. It has a nice bright peachish pink pallu, very beautiful color, and this is the contrast blouse. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. So these sarees are such that you can wear them at any traditional functions as well as any non-traditional corporate, casual, office, party kind of an event wherein you don't want to wear traditional sarees. So they are very rich, they are very richly woven handloom sarees. However, they are not typical or traditional. This is the next one. Beautiful green. The pallu color is almost the same. It is a peachish pink, bright peachish pink color. Beautiful, very pretty green color. It's a fresh combination. This is the lovely saree. It comes with a peachish pink pallu. This is the blouse. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. So yes, this was our beautiful set of soft silks. I hope you all liked today's collection. We have many such hatke, non-traditional handloom sarees coming up for you. So stay tuned, keep watching our videos. Thank you.